If your routine feels complicated, your skin is probably overwhelmed. Try this simple barrier repair routine. Step 1. Cleansers should be gentle and non-stripping. Be sure they contain no scrub particles or harsh foaming. Step 2. Hydrate with a mist or lightweight essence and allow the skin to drink it first. Step 3. Moisturizers should be calming, fragrance-free, and contain balanced ingredients. Step 4. Whether you use oil or balm, only use a tiny amount and only if the skin needs extra comfort. The most important rule is to stay with this routine for 2 to 4 weeks before changing anything. Before you change anything, watch this next. It explains why sensitive skin sometimes gets worse when we try to fix it.